Are you looking for the best hole saw pilot bits? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best hole saw pilot bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Fein Pilot Pin Precision Alignment Tool. The Fein Magnetic Drill Pilot Pin is an essential tool that enhances your drilling precision and efficiency. It aligns slugger cutters perfectly, ensuring you hit your desired drilling position every time. After drilling, the pin conveniently ejects the slug from the center, making cleanup a breeze. Crafted from high-quality materials, this attachment is perfect for both metalworking and woodworking projects. Designed to work seamlessly with JHM mag drills, it significantly boosts the performance of your slugger annular cutter. With Fein's long-standing reputation for durability and reliability, you can trust this tool to last for years. Up next in the 4th place is the AMPLIPHASE 925s-in-1 Pilot Drill Bit. The AMPLIPHASE Pilot Drill Bit is designed with high-quality materials to ensure durability and reliability, making it perfect for various working conditions. You can trust that this bit will deliver long-lasting performance, whether you're using it for heavy machinery or smaller projects. With a wide selection available, you can easily find the right part for your equipment needs. Installation is a breeze, allowing you to quickly set up your tools without hassle. This bit's efficient design also maximizes your workspace, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips while you work. The 3rd product on our list is the Mollom Stepped Pilot Drill Bits. The Mollom drill bits come in a convenient pack of 5, ensuring you have the right tools for your drilling needs. Crafted from high-quality steel, these bits are designed to be durable and less likely to break during use. With a shank size of 15/64 inch and a length of 2/7/16 inches, they fit well with Mollom Carbide hole cutter products, making them a perfect choice for your projects. However, it's essential to handle them with care, as they are hard and brittle. Keeping the drill straight will help you achieve the best results. Second on our list is the MaxTool 2PC HSS Pilot Drill Bits. The MaxTool Pilot Drill Bits come in a convenient 2-piece package, housed in a translucent tube for easy storage. With a diameter of 1/4 inch and an overall length of 3/116 inches, these bits are designed to work with hole saw arbors for cut depths of less than 1.5 inches. Made from high-speed steel and treated for durability, they can effectively cut through various materials, including metal, wood, and plastic. The fully ground flutes ensure smooth drilling and efficient chip removal, making your tasks easier and quicker. Finally, the top product on our list is the Patiyu Carbide-Tipped Hole Cutter. The Patiyu hole cutter is designed for heavy-duty metal cutting with its durable carbide tips, making it suitable for tough materials like steel and aluminum. The built-in center drill helps you achieve precise hole alignment, ensuring a steady cut without wobbling. With a 10mm shank, it fits most drills, providing a secure connection for smooth operation. Plus, its wear-resistant design means it stays sharp even after prolonged use, giving you reliable performance for various projects, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.